You searched how to buy shares of Turning Point Brands, Inc. Turning Point Brands is a U.S. consumer products company in the tobacco and vapor sector listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker TPB, and this is an educational overview, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you typically must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TPB to find Turning Point Brands. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the company name to ensure it is correct. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the page clearly shows Turning Point Brands, Inc. and NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and select a market or limit order if available. Review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may queue until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your open position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.